Most people, after buying an iPhone, don't install tempered glass. They only change their mind after they break the expensive screen. My name is Paul, and let's get to the tempered glass installation instructions. Take the guide stickers and apply one at the top and the second one at the bottom. It will be much easier for you to align the glass. It's important to apply them straight. Take the wipes, wet and dry. First, wipe the phone with the wet wipe. Next, with the dry wipe, thoroughly wipe the iPhone screen. Remember to leave no smudges or dust on the display. You can now take the large dust removal sticker and use it to pick up dust particles. You can also use a small brush for this purpose. Here, help from your woman might come in handy. She'll lend you her brush if you're nice. Remove the protective film from the tempered glass and start applying the tempered glass onto the phone. It's a good idea to keep the screen on, then you'll have a better view of whether you're applying the tempered glass straight. Slowly, don't rush. Lay one side of the glass on the screen and slowly lower the other. Keep checking that you are applying the glass straight. As you can see, the glass has adhered in one corner, and slowly lower the glass on the opposite side until it adheres completely. Press down the edges of the tempered glass and the center. If necessary, you can then remove the air bubbles that have collected under the glass. Clean the tempered glass so it looks nice, just like in the video. Done. Thanks for watching, and I invite you to new videos.